How to use Surfshark VPN on phone. In this video, I will guide you through the process step by step on how to use Surfshark app on your Android or iOS device. Let's dive in. First off, if you do not have Surfshark on your device, head over to the Play Store app on your device and type Surfshark into the search bar, or click on the link in the description. Choose the first result, and you'll land on the Surfshark VPN app page. Hit that download or install button, and in just a few moments, you'll be ready to go. Now, open up the app and log in using the email address and password you used when registering. If you don't have a subscription yet, no worries. Just tap on Create Account or visit the Surfshark Plans pricing page to get started. You'll immediately notice the Quick Connect option, which connects you to the optimal VPN server based on your location. Simply tap it, grant any necessary permissions, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about customizing your VPN experience. Head over to the Settings tab at the bottom and select Bypass VPN. Here, you can choose which apps use the VPN by toggling Route via VPN on and selecting the apps you want to add. Don't forget to hit Reconnect to apply your changes. If you want to change the default Quick Connect setting, you have two options: fastest server or nearest country. The list below the Quick Connect button shows your recently connected servers for easy access. Surfshark makes it super simple to know when you're connected. Just look for the Surfshark logo on your phone's notifications bar or swipe down for more details. In the app, you can also see your new IP address by tapping the green Connected message. Now, let's explore the Locations tab. Here, you'll find a vast array of servers to choose from, with multiple city options for some locations. To add a location to your favorites, simply hit the star button, and it'll appear at the top of the list for quick access. But how fast is Surfshark really? Let's do a speed test. Connect to the server you want to test, and visit speedtest.net in your phone's browser, and hit go. The results speak for themselves. Surfshark delivers above average speeds for a VPN. Surfshark also offers some unique server options. Under static IP servers, you'll find locations marked with a star icon. These ensure you always connect to the same server for that location. For an extra layer of privacy, try the MultiHop server option, which routes your traffic through 2 VPN servers instead of 1. Now, let's talk streaming. Let's say you want to access Prime Video libraries from other countries. Simply connect to a server in the country with the library you want, exit the Prime Video app if it's already open, and reopen it. You now have access to a whole new world of content. Now, let's check out Surfshark's special features. CleanWeb is an ad, tracker, and malware blocker, while Alert notifies you of leaks and hacks. Search is a unique incognito browser that lets you search the web without ads, logs, or trackers. In the Settings menu, you'll find even more options, like dark mode, auto connect, and the ability to change your tunneling protocol and encryption method. Bypasser lets you bypass internet restrictions. Override GPS location is a GPS spoofer, and invisible to devices makes your device undetectable on your local network. Surfshark VPN is a feature-packed, user-friendly app that offers incredible value for your money. So this is how to use Surfshark VPN on phone.